Alright, so the first thing we're gonna be doing is importing the picture to Adobe Photoshop. You're gonna go there and start editing with Lightroom. We're gonna open the filter tab and the camera raw filter, and then you're gonna be editing the photo as you like. Let's say I want to do some basic adjustments, such as the temperature. Shot in the summer, I would like to give it like that warm feeling. The exposure, as I said, depends on your taste to the photo. I'm just gonna be doing some shadows. Maybe the shadows gotta go like a bit darker and the white gotta go a lot wider. And then we're gonna go walk with the blacks as well, so we make it a bit darkened. And texture, and with the clarity, we don't add too much, not too low or too high. It's not gonna be that good, so just do it at the perfect amount. The haze, the vibrance is how much color strong is in the photo. So I'm just gonna make something like this. We're gonna go to the curve. Now this is also depends, so I'm just gonna go play with the highlights. I'm just gonna make the highlights a bit like something like this and make it a bit darkened. Go to the shadows, and now we're done here. We're gonna go to the details. The sharpening, I'm gonna be going all the way, because it doesn't adjust that much to the photo. So as you see, the noise reduction, don't use too much, because you're gonna see the background is being way too smooth. So just something like this. Also as well, we're gonna just adjust it as we like. Now we're gonna go to the color mixer, and yeah, this is a good one too. You make it vignette. It's something like this. The vignetting is very good. It's very important to the picture, so you draw the attention to the character, which is this person in the middle. And that's all what we're gonna do to this photo. It turns from this to this. Now it's a lot better. This is how the picture looks like for now. This was the video for today. Hope you learned something new, and don't forget to check the channel. There are some new videos, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.